Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about prompt engineering, tuning and optimization techniques. So in this chapter, we will explore tuning and optimization techniques for prompt engineering. So fine-tuning prompts and optimizing interactions with the language models are crucial steps to achieve the desired behavior and enhance the performance of AI models like ChatGPT. So by understanding various tuning methods and optimization strategies, we can fine-tune our prompts to generate more accurate and contextually relevant responses. So fine-tuning prompts, incremental fine-tuning. So gradually fine-tune our prompts by making small adjustments and analyzing model responses to iteratively improve performance. Dataset augmentation. Expand the dataset with additional examples or variations of prompts to introduce diversity and robustness during fine-tuning. Contextual prompt tuning. So context window size. Experiment with the different context window sizes in multi-turn conversations to find the optimal balance between context and model capacity. Adaptive context inclusion. Dynamically adapt the context length based on the model's response to aid its understanding of ongoing conversations. Temperature scaling and top P sampling. So temperature scaling, adjust the temperature parameter during decoding to control the randomness of model responses, and higher values introduce more diversity while lower values increase determinism. Top P sampling, nucleus sampling. So use top P sampling to constrain the model to consider only the top probabilities for token generation, resulting in more focused and coherent responses. Minimum or maximum length control. So minimum length control. Specify minimum length for model responses to avoid excessively short answers and encourage more informative output. Maximum length control. Limit the maximum response length to avoid overlay verbose or irrelevant responses. Filtering and post-processing. Content filtering. Apply content filtering to exclude specific types of responses to ensure generated content adheres to predefined guidelines. Language correction. Post-process the model's output to correct grammatical errors or improve fluency. Reinforcement learning. Reward models. Incorporate reward models to fine-tune prompts using reinforcement learning, encouraging the generation of desired responses. Policy optimization. Optimize the model's behavior using policy-based reinforcement learning to achieve more accurate and contextually appropriate responses. Continuous monitoring and feedback. Real-time evaluation. Monitor model performance in real time to assess its accuracy and make prompt adjustments accordingly. User feedback. Collect user feedback to understand strength and weakness of the model's responses and refine prompt design. Best practices for tuning and optimization. A/B testing. Conduct A/B testing to compare different prompt strategies and identify the most effective ones. Balanced complexity. Strive for a balanced complexity level in prompts, avoiding overcomplicated instructions or excessively simple tasks. Use cases and applications. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Optimize prompts for chatbots and virtual assistants to provide helpful and context-aware responses. Content moderation. Fine-tune prompts to ensure content generated by the model adheres to community guidelines and ethical standards. So in this chapter, we explore tuning and optimization techniques for prompt engineering. So by fine-tuning prompts, adjusting context, sampling strategies, and controlling response, we can optimize interactions with language models to generate more accurate and contextually relevant outputs. So applying reinforcement learning and continuous monitoring ensures the model's response align with our desired behavior. So as we experiment with the different tuning and optimization strategies, we can enhance the performance and user experience. The language models like a ChatGPT, making them more valuable tools for Alice applications. And remember to balance complexity, gather user feedback, and iterate on prompt design to achieve the best results in our prompt engineering endeavors. So this was a brief discussion on prompt engineering, and we will be discussing more on prompt engineering in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.